Do you know that going to studio for photo shoot in 2025 is wasting of money, totally wasting of money? Do you know that with AI, you can able to do a photo shoot on your own phone without going to spend that kind of money? Check these pictures out. It is not studio. I snap it myself and use AI to edit it. You can change the background yourself. You can able to change your cloth, change everything you want and put it in the style that you want. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, what you want to need to do is to go to Pinterest and search for pictures that you like. Let's say like this one. Then you download it inside your phone. Let me use another one because I've used that one. Let me use this one. Okay, like this one, and download it inside your phone. After downloading it, let's go and check it inside the phone whether it's there. Okay, it's here. So you have to go to your camera and snap a very clear picture of yourself. After snapping a very clear picture of yourself, what you need to do now is to go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, right now you upload the picture that you downloaded on Pinterest. Let's bring it here. And then you put this prompt, describe this photo and generate the image that. So you now send it. If you want this prompt, comment below and I will send it for you. So this is the description of the image ChatGPT just gave me now. So I have to copy it. Let me just copy it now. Copy it and come outside. Then you go to googlestudio.com at your browser. Okay, googlestudio.com, studio.google.com. Then it will bring you here. Then you come and upload the picture of yourself here. Here it is the picture of yourself you're uploading here, not the person again. A picture of yourself. So let me upload the picture of myself that is really showing my face very well. Let's find it. Which one is showing my face very well? Let me use the one that I didn't wear clothes. Okay, so you can paste the prompt here. After pasting the prompt, send it and wait for the image to generate. Let's see what it will give us now. You see, the image has successfully generated. See, let me download it. You click on it and it will bring all this option and you click on download image. This is as simple as this. So thank you for watching this video. Please follow this page for more videos like this.